cheesecake, and this is so easy. Mostly everyone that's eaten my cheesecake have always said that it tastes good. So let's get into the video. First, what you're going to be needing is the topping. Any topping of your choice. You're going to be needing your vanilla extract. You will be needing pie crust. You need 3 eggs, just 3 eggs. Your mixing bowl and sugar. We will need Philadelphia cream cheese. Okay, this you don't really need it now because you're going to put it, that'll be the last thing you put on your cheesecake. So what you can do is put this in the fridge so that it can be cool. Or you can just leave it aside. That is frozen. This is soft. Nothing goes to waste. I know you have a big drumstick, but we're only gonna take 2/3 shaker. It's best to just take a straight spatula or one of these. So you're gonna only put 2/3 of that. That's it. That's all you need. What we're going to do is just mix this. Until we get to that creamy consistency, the thick cream consistency. That full, and then you pour it. Then you mix. Now, what you're going to add is 1 teaspoon. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lime. You will see the difference that lime does in cheesecake, but because you know how to do this, I'm just gonna squeeze. Yeah, this is more than a teaspoon, but I like it with more lime because the lime and the cream cheese and sugar, oh gosh, so good. We have 3 eggs, but we're not going to use them all at once. We're going to use them one at a time. So first, one at a time. sugar, that's enough for me. I always put 2/3 when I'm doing one cheesecake. What I am gonna put more of though is the lime. Just gonna squeeze some more. I'm gonna put the whole full half. It gives it such a good taste. So I'm putting on. Take your graham crackers, take off the lid, and what you're gonna do is pour this in, all of it. Every last bit. This is how it looks when it comes directly out of the oven right away. And this is how it looks after it sets.